Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrychicottage.net. So today we're going to talk about no-sew headbands with the ear saver buttons. So you might have seen these floating around the internet. So nurses are requesting these because their ears hurt because of the bands of the mask always over their ears. And so this means that you can loop your mask. So if I have a no-sew mask here, so if you haven't seen our no-sew mask video, I have one of those as well. So the no-sew mask here, and instead of looping it over my ear, which I hate, I can loop it over the buttons on the headband instead on both sides. So if you only have access to a mask that maybe has elastic and you want a headband for yourself, or you have a nurse friend and you want to make them a headband and you can't sew, I have an option for you. And it uses an old t-shirt. So if you have some old t-shirts laying around the house, you can actually make a no-sew headband ear saver with the buttons. Buttons, old t-shirt, some fabric glue, and you are good to go. So let's see how to make these. Alright, so for this project you're going to need an old t-shirt, some scissors, some fabric glue. I'm going to use Fabri-Tac from Beacon, some buttons, and I'm going to use a needle and thread to sew my buttons on. So this is a no-sew headband. However, you will need to sew your buttons on. So the first thing we're going to do is cut a strip from our old t-shirt. So we're going to cut it from the body of the t-shirt, and we want it to be about 5 inches wide. And this is super forgiving, so I just kind of approximate across. And then the next steps are really going to depend on the size of t-shirt. So for this one, I can actually cut the sides off and make 2 headbands. But I would definitely try it on like your head or the child's head if you're going to make it for a child. And I'm going to cut both these sides off because you could make one long headband if it's a smaller t-shirt at this step and just cut it in half. But I can actually make 2 headbands for my strip. So each of these would be one no-sew headband. So the first step we're going to do is to glue the 2 long sides together. So we're going to run a bead of glue. And we'll just fold over this long side, matching up the ends. Now, if your cuts were a little wonky or your t-shirt was a little wonky, you may notice one end or both ends aren't even. So you can fix that right now. So you just want 2 ends that are pretty even, and that one looks pretty good. And then we're going to set this aside to dry completely. I actually have one that's already dry here. So this one is the same thing as this, so I just glued it across. And now I'm going to turn it right side out. So this is the wrong side now. We're just going to turn that right side out. So now we have one long tube of fabric with a seam. So I'm going to put that seam in the center of one side. Then we need to do something with these ends. So the first end, I'm going to use glue in the middle to glue it shut. Then I'm going to put glue on both sides. And I'm going to put this end inside this end. And we're going to squeeze that. And then the second end, we're going to add a little glue under it. And we're going to fold it under just a little bit to make a finished edge. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And then we're going to set this aside and allow it to dry. Once this piece is dry, all you have left to do is to sew the buttons on either side. So how you do that is we put our seam right in the center, and then you'll sew buttons on either side. And it's pretty much perfect placement for the ears. You can, however, try the headband on after it dries and get your own placement for the buttons. And I just used my needle and thread to sew a button on both sides. And now our no-sew headband ear saver is done. So they're super easy, and you can make them all within a couple of minutes. So if you have the mask, you're trying to wear it in public, trying to follow those CDC recommendations, it has elastic on it and you are tired of it rubbing on your ears, you can make one of these for yourself, or you can make some for your nurse friends, some of your friends that have elastic masks, that type of thing, all within a couple of minutes. Dig through that old t-shirt supply and pick up some fabric glue. So thank y'all so much for joining me today. If this video helped you, if you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions about how to make the headband or anything else, please ask us in the comment section below. I'll also link to our no-sew mask video. So this one uses some bandana, but we have 2 other options for no-sew masks, and you can try those as well. If you have any questions about anything with the mask or anything like that, you can feel free to ask those in the comment section, and I will get to those as I can. You might also want to head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have crafty videos all the time, and we would love to have you as a subscriber. So thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.